Harry's early stories. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for flower. Flower. G is for girl. Girl. H is for helicopter. Helicopter. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jug. Jug. K is for kite. Kite. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rabbit. Rabbit. S is for swing. Swing. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yeah. Z is for zebra. Zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? अगर आप मेरा वीडियो पसंद आ गया मेरा चैनल जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए शुक्रिया